21 Health Benefits of Eating Dates Every Day. Dates have been cherished for centuries, not just for their sweet flavor, but for their impressive array of health benefits. These tiny fruits pack a nutritional punch and can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. From improving brain functionality to aiding in natural labor, dates offer a range of advantages that might surprise you. Here's a comprehensive look at the 21 health benefits of eating dates every day and why you should consider making them a staple in your diet. 1. Dates are highly nutritious. Dates are a powerhouse of nutrition, providing essential vitamins and minerals in every bite. They are rich in dietary fiber, which supports digestion and overall gut health. Packed with potassium, magnesium, and iron, dates contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure, bone health, and overall vitality. Their natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, offer a quick energy boost without the unhealthy side effects of processed sugars. 2. Aids healthy bowel movements. One of the standout benefits of dates is their high fiber content. Dietary fiber promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. The soluble fiber in dates acts as a natural laxative, supporting healthy digestion and maintaining a clean digestive tract. Regular consumption of dates can lead to a more efficient digestive system and improved gut health. 3. High concentration of antioxidants. Dates are loaded with antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative damage, dates can lower the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Their antioxidant properties also contribute to slowing down the aging process and enhancing cellular health. 4. Improves brain functionality. Eating dates daily can support cognitive health. The antioxidants in dates, along with their high levels of vitamins and minerals, contribute to improved brain function. Studies suggest that dates may enhance memory and cognitive performance while reducing inflammation in the brain. Including dates in your diet may support better mental clarity and focus. 5. Facilitates natural labor. For pregnant women, dates can be a beneficial part of the diet as they facilitate natural labor. Research has shown that consuming dates in the later stages of pregnancy can lead to more efficient labor and a reduced need for induced labor. The natural sugars and nutrients in dates help prepare the body for childbirth, promoting a smoother labor process. 6. Reduces risk of cancer. The antioxidants and fiber in dates play a role in cancer prevention. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, dates help lower the risk of cancer development. They are particularly beneficial in preventing colorectal cancer due to their high fiber content, which supports healthy colon function and reduces the likelihood of cancerous growths. 7. Prevents microbial infections. Dates have antimicrobial properties that help combat harmful microorganisms. Their natural compounds, such as tannins and flavonoids, can inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi. Consuming dates regularly can help bolster your immune system and protect against various infections, contributing to overall health and well-being. 8. Helps fight diabetes. Despite their natural sweetness, dates have a low glycemic index, making them a suitable option for people with diabetes. The fiber in dates slows down the absorption of sugars, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. They provide a healthier alternative to refined sugars, offering a sweet treat without causing blood sugar spikes. 9. Works as an anti-inflammatory agent. Dates have strong anti-inflammatory properties thanks to their high antioxidant content. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease and arthritis. By incorporating dates into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation and support overall joint and cardiovascular health. 10. Can protect your kidneys. The potassium and magnesium in dates are essential for kidney health. These minerals help regulate fluid balance and maintain proper kidney function. Regular consumption of dates can support kidney health by preventing fluid imbalances and reducing the risk of kidney-related issues. 11. Can improve fertility among males. Dates are beneficial for male fertility due to their rich nutrient profile. They provide essential vitamins and minerals that support reproductive health, including zinc and selenium. These nutrients play a role in improving sperm quality and motility, enhancing overall male fertility. 12. Promotes bone health. Dates are a good source of minerals that are crucial for bone health, such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. These minerals contribute to strong and healthy bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. Regular consumption of dates can help maintain bone density and support overall skeletal health. 13. Adds strength to your nervous system. The B vitamins found in dates, including vitamin B6, play a key role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. They help support nerve function, reduce symptoms of anxiety, and enhance cognitive performance. Dates provide essential nutrients that contribute to a well-functioning nervous system and overall mental health. 14. Improves your skin. Dates are not only good for internal health, but also beneficial for your skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in dates help maintain healthy, youthful skin. They promote hydration, reduce signs of aging, and improve skin texture. Regular consumption of dates can contribute to a radiant complexion and overall skin health. 15. Reduces the rate of hair loss. Dates can help combat hair loss by providing essential nutrients such as iron and vitamins. These nutrients support healthy hair growth and prevent deficiencies that can lead to hair thinning. Including dates in your diet can contribute to stronger, healthier hair and reduce the rate of hair loss. 16. Helps deal with hangovers. Dates can be an effective remedy for hangovers. Their natural sugars and electrolytes help rehydrate the body and restore lost nutrients. The high fiber content aids digestion and alleviates symptoms of nausea, making dates a helpful food to consume after a night of indulgence. 17. Dates are rich in vitamins. Dates are a rich source of various vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin K, and several B vitamins. These vitamins are essential for maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and enhancing energy levels. Regular consumption of dates ensures you get a good dose of these vital nutrients. 18. Reduces the chance of getting night blindness. Dates are high in vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining healthy vision. Consuming dates regularly can help prevent night blindness and support overall eye health. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining proper eye function and preventing vision-related issues. 19. Dates are excellent sweeteners. Dates are a natural sweetener that can be used as a healthier alternative to refined sugars. They add natural sweetness to a variety of dishes, from smoothies to baked goods, without the negative effects of processed sugars. Dates provide a nutrient-dense way to satisfy your sweet cravings. 20. Dates are versatile. Dates are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various recipes. From energy bars to salads, they add a natural sweetness and nutritional boost. Their chewy texture and rich flavor make them a popular choice for both sweet and savory dishes. 21. May help with anemia. The iron content in dates is beneficial for individuals with anemia. Iron is essential for producing healthy red blood cells and preventing iron deficiency anemia. Consuming dates regularly can help boost iron levels and improve overall blood health. Types of dates. There are several types of dates, each with its unique flavor and texture. Deglet Nor dates, known for their sweet flavor and chewy texture, commonly used in baking and cooking. Burhi dates, soft and caramel-like, ideal for snacking. Halawi dates, sweet and honey-like, perfect for adding natural sweetness to dishes. Kodrawi dates, moist and tender, great for a quick energy boost. Dairy dates, rich and flavorful, suitable for various culinary uses. Dowari dates, firm and less sweet, often used in savory recipes. Zahidi dates, golden and nutty, ideal for snacking or adding to dishes. Incorporating dates into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits, from improved digestion to enhanced brain function. These nutrient-dense fruits are a delicious and natural way to boost your overall health and well-being. So, grab a handful of dates and enjoy their amazing health benefits every day. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.